Hi everyone, this is V. Sivaprasad, working as a lecturer in Computer Science Department, Sir C. R. Reddy College, Eluru. Today I discuss about tree traverses techniques. In this tree traverses techniques, three different kinds are there. First one is in order, pre-order, post-order. In this in order, tree is divided into three components. First component is root node, next component is left node, another component is right node. In this tree traverses technique, represented in this tree, this one is root node. Tree will be divided into two parts, left and right side. In this in order is data will be represented in root is in order, that means first will represented in left nodes and root will be represented in mid one and right node will be represented in right side. In this concept in order, in order will be represented in this format. That means tree will be divided in three components, left side and right side and root node. In this concept, in order is first we represented in data. In this data will be represented in tree traverses techniques. In these tree traverses techniques are in order, pre-order and post-order. In this pre-order means root will be represented in first position. Root, alage left, next right. And next one is post-order. Post-order means root will be represented in last location. Represented in first will left side, next right side, other one is root node. In the way of data will be represented in tree traverses techniques. First one is in order. The in order technique are used in first in left side, the another one is root, another one is right side. In this tree will be represented in tree traverses techniques. First one is in order means. In this in order traverses technique, they can perform. First one is left side. I will check from this tree, then moved into left side. In this tree, automatically when compare with the first identified root node, this is the root node in the tree. In this condition, in order technique, we choose an left side. I moved into the left side. In this condition, in this node has two children. First, in these two children are acts as B as another root node. That the condition in this in order technique will be represented in first, left, root and right. In this data will be represented in first element D, another one is B, next one is E. First completed left of the tree, another side then will be represented in root node. Root node is absolutely A. This is the root node. Then I will move into the next position, right side. In this condition, I will check from that another root node from the right side. Why? Because C has two children, left and right children. C has the another root element. In this condition, we represented first element is F. Next, I will choose an C, next G. This is the in order traversal technique. Okay, next one is pre-order technique. In this pre-order technique, we choose first element is root element. I am already fixed from that element is A is the root node. Absolutely, I will first write from the A element. Next, and then moved into left of the tree. Left side, in this left side, B has the another root node. B left element is D element. Then moved into the right side. This is the half of the tree has been completed. Then moved into the right side of the tree. In this right side, we choose already C is the another root from the these two children's. C is the root node, F is the left of the element, and G is the right of the element. This is the pre-order technique. Another one is post-order technique. In this post-order technique is very important technique. This from root node will be represented in the last of the node, which are very clear from that. I choose from left of the tree. This is the left block of the tree. In this left block of the tree has B is the another root from the tree. First, I write from the left node. D is the left node and move to the right side. E is the right node. And then finally, about represented in root node. B is the root from these two elements. D and E are, these two children's are parent is B. I will represent B in the root node. Then move to the right of the tree. This is the right of the tree. In this right tree has two children's and one parent node. Okay, this in this condition left node is F, right node is G, and the another root node is C. Then finally the main root node is A. In this root node has been represented in last position. Okay, I am clearly explained from that. In order means root node is represented in mid of the tree, and pre-order means root will be represented in starting of the location, and post order means root node will be represented in last position of the tree. Thank you everyone. Next topic will be discussed in another class. Thank you.